Cities are getting smarter. Why would it be any different with factories? Let's see how you can help your factory with IoT solutions. In almost every plant, there is downtime due to a sudden lack of a specific resource, such as oils, greases, or shielding gases. This may be due to human error, an interruption of the supply chain, a discrepancy between what is recorded in the system and the actual situation, or excessive consumption. Sometimes resources are not metered at all. In other cases, metered data are collected manually, which requires the involvement of a dedicated employee who completes paper documentation or tables in computer software at specific intervals. Information continuity is lacking, and errors happen. Sometimes there are also discrepancies between the calculations of utilities suppliers and the plant's own calculations, which leads to frustration and the suspicion of dishonesty. Due to the lack of data, it is also not possible to choose the best tariff. All these problems result in the need to involve employees in activities other than those for which they were hired. This causes downtime, which leads to loss of valuable resources, such as time, money, and unused employee potential, but also to the impossibility to implement optimization. Moreover, because of late deliveries and delayed responses, the company loses its customers. This challenge is faced by industry worldwide. Another problem is that companies find out about breakdowns, leaks, and security breaches only after a long delay, which incurs additional losses. All the above issues lead to the following question: what is the real cost of the utilities that are needed to produce a batch of a given commodity? Knowing that, you can carry out thorough analysis of your production batch costs and verify your real margins on products. How can you check the actual consumption of utilities and plan the optimum delivery times while ensuring continuity of production? The solution is Comarch Smart Metering for Industry, which is used for remote meter reading in factories to forecast expenses and eliminate losses. Implementation of smart metering does not always require replacement of the entire network of meters. Retrofitting is usually sufficient, which makes the solution available almost immediately. Small devices periodically collect data from meters and then, using standardized protocols, send that information to the IoT cloud platform. In the platform, data are collected, processed, and analyzed, and then fed into the relevant application in an accessible form. Thanks to integration with MES Industry 4.0 and ERP systems, we are able to fully automate the calculation of production costs. In addition, business intelligence makes it possible to carry out thorough data analysis, which allows further optimization of the company's operations. Comarch Smart Metering for Industry enables remote, uninterrupted reading of consumption, automation of data analysis, optimization of production costs, and increased efficiency of plant operation. The available data also provide an opportunity for businesses to negotiate more favorable contract terms with suppliers and to keep control over consumption and the integrity of the partner. In this way, lack of information on utilities that are running out is no longer a problem. The solution minimizes the risk of a sudden shortage, raises alerts about upcoming depletion, facilitates monitoring of purchase orders, and eliminates the often unreliable human factor. There is a very clear correlation between consumption of utilities and overall business profitability. The collected data can be monetized through early detection of failures, elimination of waste, reduction of costs and readout time, determination of consumption trends through constant access to data, and informed management of consumption at each level. For more information about how Comarch Smart Metering for Industry can help you grow your business and conserve natural resources, please visit our website and read the available materials. You can also download a free case study on how this system was first implemented in the Swiss FMCG company Louis Ditzler AG.